Here we have the all-new 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe LT. And this is a four-wheel drive model in midnight blue metallic on jet black leather. It's got that 5.3 liter V8, made it to a 10-speed automatic transmission, putting out 355 horsepower. And like I said, this is all new, so it's redesigned inside and out to go with the full-size truck redesigns that GM did in 2019. Got those LED running lights and headlights, front and rear parking sensors. This one has the 20-inch aluminum wheels. Got your running boards, passive keyless entry on all four doors. Then you've got your power door locks, power windows, power mirrors, and memory seating. And then these also fold. And then you can see the blind spot monitoring in the mirror as well. Got a Bose sound system. It's got an electronic parking brake, lane keep assist, parking sensors, auto stop that you can toggle on and off, which is new for the Tahoes. You've got your four-wheel drive, trailer brake controller. There's your power seat. Let's take a look what's under the hood. And there's that 5.3 liter V8. Your second row. And then you've got this lever to pull the seat forward and back. And then you've got this lever to go ahead and fold the seat up and down. There's your third row seat back there with added space. You've got second row heated seats along with rear AC controls. And as you can see, very, very good room in the second row. And then I'm 6'3", but I'll try and get back here in the third row. And surprisingly, I can sit back here, especially with the seat scooted up. You can fit full-size adults back here. And this is one of the features I tested at the 2020 Chicago Auto Show when the 21 Tahoes were revealed. I can finally sit in the third row. And as you can see, you also have increased cargo space behind the third row. You could fold the seats down the second row, as well as the third row. And we're gonna take a look at the passenger seat here. So both front seats have power, as well as power lumbar support. Just an overall beautiful redesign for 2021. We've also got a power telescoping and tilting steering wheel. And it's 100 degrees out here today, so I had the AC up. Let me cut that down for a minute. And this one, as you can see, you can also fold the seats down from here in the front, and it actually tells you when the seat's folded down. And then you can fold it back up, and it tells you when it's folded back up. And here you've got your AM, FM, XM radio, Bluetooth audio, It is a scorcher. Okay. You've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto with this all new screen, which is absolutely fantastic. It looks great. And then this one even has the full-size power sunroof, which is just great. It's huge. But let's take a look at that backup camera. And then you've got several views for trailering, things of that nature. And then you've also got that forward camera too, along with your curbside mirrors. So you see as the car moves, you can see both sides. That's awesome. Then you've got your electronic shifter here. So park, press the button, reverse, pull up, neutral, press the button, pull up for drive, and then put in low mode, press the button, and you can shift like that. And there's your storage space, which is quite big. Glove box with your owner's manuals. And then here you've got your heated steering wheel, forward collision alert, gap adjust. Then your Bluetooth controls over here. And then you've got your audio controls for volume on the right side, and then track list and radio controls on the left side. And there's a quick look at your gauge cluster. And you've got your push button start there. Wireless charging pad. Dual zone climate controls and heated seat controls. And then there is your all new key fob. And here we go. Of course, the 10-speed automatic shifts seamlessly. And there's something different about the engine noise. It's a lot quieter in here. And the powertrain sounds a lot less raspy than the outgoing model. And this does come with auto stop, but I doubt we will see that in full effect today. Just because, like I said earlier, it's over 95 degrees out. But like always, the ride of this Tahoe is just great. And a lot of the 5.3s of the outgoing model that I drove had the 6-speed automatic, and it just revved a lot hotter. It was a lot clinkier. And this is just so smooth accelerating. And everything about this ride is just great so far. And here we are cruising at 77, getting about 16 miles to the gallon. And as we come down on this little grade, it's getting 26, 27 miles to the gallon. So not huge numbers in fuel economy there, but especially on more temperate days, that's where you're gonna see a lot of your fuel mileage gains when using the auto stop. And the braking is very, very good. It's very comfortable and controllable but firm. I'm gonna cut the AC off for a split second and see if the auto stop does its thing. And there it is, the auto stop just cut on. And then, as you can see, if I push the AC button, cuts right back on. I really love this screen. It's just, it looks so great, so great. So everything's nice and bright and big. And even while you're driving, you can pull up the front-facing camera. And there it is right there. Yeah, I just love this redesign. And it's been a minute since I've actually gotten in a car that had that new car smell. And these new Tahoes, they've got it. They just smell great when you first get in them. And I'm gonna set the cruise on, coming down this back road. So at 42, we're getting 35 miles a gallon. And a lot of that has to do with the new fuel management system. It just does a great job. I can actually hear it. And you can see how low the engine is revving right now. I think it's like 1100, 1200 RPMs. And that's gonna come from having that 10-speed automatic. It's just such a smooth ride in here. It's just so comfortable. And then make sure you like the video and subscribe, because coming here shortly, I'm gonna go ahead and do the Premier as well. And that one's gonna be top of the line, heated, cooled seats, all that stuff. But I'm signing off. That's my review of the 2020, or excuse me, all new 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe LT.